Dave Porter here on location with VouchVideo.com. I'm here with Bob from Hughes Relocation Service. Bob, tell us, what people should think about when it comes to moving insurance.
Well, the first thing about moving insurance you need to understand, Dave, is we don't sell insurance. Movers are not licensed insurance agents, but we have a product very similar to that. We call it valuation. The second thing that's very important to know is a mover can claim to be fully insured when he meets minimum state requirements, which translate to 60 cents per pound per article. Your 100-pound flat screen TV, if it's dropped and damaged, that coverage is limited to $60. Wow. So you have to ask the question, what is offered above and beyond the minimum state requirements?
Damages happen no matter how much care you put in. So tell me, what can you do above and beyond?
Nicks and scratches, I think, are more or less commonplace. The real risk you run is the risk of a catastrophic loss. After all, you're putting everything you own on a truck that's going down the highway at 65 miles an hour. So you have to be considerate of that fact and get the proper coverage for it. The more professional movers are able to do that. Basically what you do is look at your current homeowner's policy, exclude items such as jewelry or cash. No mover can really provide the coverage for those items, but make a reasonable declaration of value for the contents that are going to be handled by the mover.
And I know your professional team takes inventory list and goes over, all the details, but would it help to maybe video the stuff or take pictures, or are these things that people do?
The mover will make an inventory. You want to see the notations he made, that he's properly described the condition of the furniture and the type of furniture it is. The real critical point comes in when delivery happens. You're going to want to check off every piece as it comes into your home, and if you notice any visible damage, you're going to want to notate that on the delivery papers. That's your best defense to get your claim resolved.
Obviously, it gets down to the basics. Hire a professional moving company that has the knowledge and experience. Bob's here to share, whether you use his service or not, to make sure that you're educated on moving your items properly. I'm confident that your team can get the job done. You have an invested interest, obviously, to have them make a call to you. But really, the reality is you have a genuine care for people that are moving, and you don't want to see anyone be victimized by the moving industry. So I want to thank you for the time, and I appreciate you taking the time.
Thank
and
you,
we
Dave.
look forward to promoting your services here in the future.